A very good evening to all of our partners and to everyone who's joined this session. We will just start this session in another 2 minutes whilst everybody joins. I hope my voice is clear. अगर मेरी आवाज क्लियर है तो आप प्लीज चैट बॉक्स पे डालिए. आई विल बी यूजिंग इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. अगर कोई किसी को कुछ सवाल है तो चैट बॉक्स पे डाल सकते हैं. सो वी कैन आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन. वट एवर डाउट यू हैव, put in the chat box and we will answer each and every question. Today we have a very very important and exciting session on the launch of our PL Capital Plus app, and I hope that you really enjoy this session. So just another 2 minutes and we will start this session. Thank you so much, Krishnamurti ji, for saying this, and thank you. Yeah. Hello everyone. Is my screen visible and am I audible? Can you put in the chat box? Am I audible and is my screen visible? Okay. So, friends, I'm very happy to announce the launch of our PL Capital Plus app. It's our own partner capital app. As India moves towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, we are moving towards Atmanirbhar. We are making you Atmanirbhar through this app, as your business will be in your hands. And the purpose of this app is to help you leverage more from your customers, get more business, do faster execution, and with a lot of comfort and ease. Some of the features I will be taking you through in this session, and we have a lot of other planning and development in the works where or multiple additional and more features will be loaded as the time passes. We also want each one of you to log into this app mandatorily and use it effectively and come back with your feedback so that we can jointly progress. Coming back to this sign up page, once you download this app from Play Store as PL Capital App Plus, you will be able to download it and you have to enter in this login credentials, either your registered mobile number or your partner code along with your PL client's password. Once you log in, you will be prompted for setting up an MPIN, and if once I click like this to the login, what I'm showing you is one of a demo. You will be given an OTP which will be sent to your mobile number. Once you verify the mobile number, you will be prompted to set up your PIN. Once you set your MPIN, you don't have to get to the OTP business every day. So once you set up your fingerprint and your MPIN, you can just simply sign up as soon as you log into the app. So this is how the login starts. Now, as soon as you log into the page, you can see this welcome page, the first page where you can see your revenue performance. So this is your gross brokerage for the current financial year. And it also shows you how much money is required to be generated for you to have an upgrade in your category. Now we consider super platinum category for sub brokers who have done on an average 5 lakh rupees per month. So that way, 5 lakh rupees per month is super platinum category, 3 lakh per month is platinum category, 1 lakh per month is gold category. So once you want to go to the next level, you could use the this number to understand that how much money you need to make to go to the next level. And the business that you currently have, how this business can help you go to the next level, you can click on this boost revenue screen. Once you click on this boost revenue screen, you will be given these options. So IPO, as you know, this October month is full of IPOs. There are a lot of IPOs coming and we have built in assisted IPO system. So here you can apply for an IPO for your customers, whichever IPO you like. And here we have also shown the gross market premium and the subscription percentage. Basis this, you can decide which IPO is suitable for your client. So let's say if I applied for this IPO, I will have to search the client's name and I can basically select the customer, put the quantity, and I can submit. The customer will get an OTP, and basis the OTP, the customer can, subscribe for the IPO. Once he puts for the IPO, it's verified, the job is done. So subscribing for a customer for a upcoming IPO is now just a matter of click in your own hands through this PL Capital Plus app. So those of you who were wondering how to subscribe for client IPO, you can do that immediately from this app. The next section is MTF section. As you know, we are now sharing 50% MTF interest that we are charging to the client above hurdle rate of 14.5%. So whatever you are charging to the client, let's say you are charging 18% MTF interest. So above 14.5%, we are sharing that interest income with you on a 50-50 basis. This income is shared to you on a quarterly basis, which becomes a significant revenue for you. So to understand which are the clients which are not yet activated in MTF, you have a list available to you and you can just activate this MTF button over here. The minute you activate, an OTP will go to the client and the segment will get activated immediately. So no paper sign up, no calling up anybody, no form fill up. If you want to activate a MTF segment, you just have to click over here. The OTP will go to the client, enter the OTP and the segment is activated. Here in MTF segment, you also get to see the latest MTF picks. So if you see, whatever research that we are giving in MTF picks will also be displayed, and we are also showing you how much income you could make in terms of brokerages generated by the past MTF clients. If you click here, you can see the MTF that has been generated by the current clients. Okay, and which are the non-MTF clients which you have to activate, and which are the MTF clients which are currently activated. So the app gives you this feature of seeing which are the clients which are currently activated in MTF and which are the clients which are not yet activated in MTF. Coming to the derivative segment, in the derivative segment, you can again see the derivative research calls, and you can also see which are the clients which are not yet activated in derivative segment. From here, if you activate, it will go to the re-KYC page and the customer has to follow the journey for activation of the segment. Here also you can see which are the derivative clients and what brokerage and what profitability they have made in the derivative segment. Along the derivative calls are also there. For pledging the shares, you can now pledge the shares from this app. You can simply select pledge now and you will come to know which are the shares that you can pledge, and the shares that you have pledged is showed over here. What is the client where the shares are already pledged and what clients are there where you can still pledge the shares. It can be a normal pledge, it can be a margin pledge. So all these features allow you to scale your business, because once you have pledged shares in the holding, you can use that limit for further trades. If your client is not activated in derivative segment, you can activate the client and increase your business. If the client is not activated in MTF, you can activate the MTF client and you can earn double income, interest income as well as MTF brokerage. And for IPO, it has become very simple for you to subscribe to IPO from this app. You get notifications also. Now, oh, sorry. Coming back to my boost revenue which I took you. Now I go to the revenue summary. In the revenue summary, you can see in the current financial year how many clients are there, what is the AUM, what is the yield in terms of brokerage, what is the ledger balance, what assets your clients' money are divided into, equities, for mutual funds, unlisted, PMS, insurance. Some of this data will be uploaded in the forthcoming versions, but you can see all this data in the system. Now, if I go to clients, sorry, yeah. So now when I go to total clients, I can see how many clients are active, how many are inactive, that is dormant. If I want to make them reactivate, I can reactivate from here. How many will become dormant? Now, if I want to reactivate, like I told you, I can reactivate from this particular segment itself. And how many clients I have acquired in this current financial year with their AUM. Here I can see how many accounts are lying pending with the KYC team. This is all offline accounts, and digital accounts you can see over here. This link for digital applications will show you the digital eKYC, the online accounts which are pending. In the yeah. Now there are this non-compliant option is very interesting. Here you can see the list of clients who have been freezed, or whose trading is not enabled for various reasons. Like here the reason which we are seeing is KRA not verified, but there can be other reasons like email bounce, or trade confirmation call not picked up. Yeah. So these are the reasons why the account is not yet active. So you can reactivate and follow the process. So coming back to, this was about clients. Now if I go to a single client, I can see in one shot the total client snapshot. Okay. If I am going over here in a single client, I can see what is the client name, mobile number, email ID, DP details, what was the activation date, date of birth, his business revenues, whatever research calls the client participated in the last 90 days, what segment the client is active, and what are his assets, what is his profitability, portfolio report I can generate. I'll get everything related to the client in one single place. Unlike in PL clients where you have to go in multiple menus, here everything is put to you in one single place. So holding, ledger, P&L, dividend, corporate actions. Now when it comes to ledger, transactions, dividend, you can see all the corporate actions which are mentioned here. Excellent. That's it. Yeah. Research calls also are available over here. Now the banners which we will be basically putting up banners which are currently relevant to you in the current scheme of things. Coming to risk actions. Now when I come to risk actions, yeah, research calls is fine. You get all the research calls. But in the research calls, there's an interesting feature that we've built in. Here you can put a filter as to if you want only hero zero call, or if you want to only have swing call, or if you want to have investment calls. So let's say if I want to have only swing calls or hero zero calls, the filter will show you only those particular calls in research calls. So when you have a research calls, you have all types of calls. You don't want to look at you want to look at only specific type of calls. So there also you can select those calls over here in the research section. Okay. Now coming to quick actions, there is risk actions. Risk action means those customers where you need to be careful as to why the customer is coming into the risk section. So which are the clients which are dormant, which are the clients which are in freeze, which are the clients which are having an aging debit. Now here also you have a filter where you can see which client is in T5, T7, which client is in T0, T4, or which client is going into HO action. Basis the filter, you can decide the action. Open position is something very interesting, my friends. Here you don't have this report anywhere in PL clients, where in one single menu you are seeing all clients open positions and what is their profit and loss. This can be filtered as for loss and profit, and you can use this information for further discussion with the client. So in one single shot in the back office, in PL clients, in your mobile, you don't have this option. The other option which is very interesting in this app is which are the clients which have transferred money in PL account, ledger account in the last 7 to 10 days, 7 days. And you can also notify them with research calls so that you can ask these customers who are transferring the money to participate in the PL calls. Right? You can sort this also alphabetically. Fund payout also was a requirement, I believe, for many sub-brokers who wanted to know that how many clients have taken out money from Prabhudas Lilladher. So there also you can take out this information over here. Quarterly settlement, which are the clients which are due for settlements. And this is one information that we are providing which is not available anywhere in the industry. It's only available with PL clients, with Prabhudas Lilladher through this PL Capital Plus app. That is, what are the corporate actions, and in the corporate actions, which corporate actions is coming to which client. So if you see bail, if dividend is there, then which client the bail is dividend is going to come. If it's a bonus, then which share and in which clients the bonus will be due. Split also likewise. Reverse stock split also along with client base. Mergers along with clients. Demergers along with clients. So this kind of corporate action information that we are providing is not available with anybody in the industry. This is what we are trying to do to make you more informed and give you better service to the client. I hope you like this feature that I just showed. And if you liked it, then I would like someone to put something on the chat box, because I have been speaking, but I also want to know something. This app will be activated in iOS very soon. Coming back to uh, other things, yeah, quick links. We have other products like IPO unlisted insurance, which is also there. And we have this complete dashboard of different products which you can activate and learn and read about, including fund transfer, DP payments, portfolio tracker, all those things you can learn. There will be more reports and more functionalities added in the app. I am willing to now take some questions and some feedback on the app. Yes, Shreyas, we can activate SLBM as well, and we would be putting that in that segment category as well. It is there in the class. It will be able to be done through the re-KYC. It can be done. Yeah. Currently you can do it through re-KYC currently. Praveen ji, आपने good initiative बोला है. Thank you so much. But something different I would want you to know, there is no charge on this. This is absolutely free for our partners. All our registered authorized persons can access this app from today. It is live, and including the relationship managers. You can download it, you can use it, and you can do that. भावेश भाई, जॉइंट री-KYC का चल रहा है. It will come very soon. I want every one of you all to participate in clicking the app, using the app. Some of the features which I felt were not available otherwise is, one is you don't have a 100% view of your client profitability in one single click. That is available in this app. Second, you don't have access to activate MTF for client in a one single click, which you have in this app. You can basically look at all the customers who are deactivated for whatever reasons. You can do that in one single click in this app. You can also see which customers have taken money, which customers have taken payout. That also is very simple. And corporate actions, which was a very big demand, is also there. Yeah, we would be coming out with a lot of sections on learning as well. So yes, Alpha Insight, PMS, everything will be coming. Yes, sir. Biswajit Mishra ji, we are going to put up digital marketing creatives very soon in the second version. And you will be having a facility of WhatsApping, emailing directly from here as well, sir. Yes, रोहित जी, आप सारा बैक ऑफिस मोबाइल से चेक कर सकते हो. आलोक मंत्री जी, आप एजिंग 3+3 भी आप चेक कर सकते हो. आई शोड यू देयर वर फिल्टर्स You can check that. But Rohitji, the purpose of this app is not to replicate the back office. The purpose of this app is to basically help you boost your business. आपको आपके धंधे को बढ़ाने के लिए, आपको मदद करने के लिए ऐप बनाया गया है. तो आप इसको कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? जो आपके डोरमेंट क्लाइंट्स होने वाले हैं उनको आप नोटिफाई कर दीजिए, जो हो चुके हैं उनको रीएक्टिवेट कीजिए, जहां पे जो सेगमेंट उन्होंने जो चूज किया उनको एक बटन से एक्टिवेट कीजिए, आईपीओ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, एमटीएफ चालू करवाइए. एमटीएफ चालू कराएंगे तो एमटीएफ की इंटरेस्ट इनकम भी आपको आएगी. विश्व जी, आई टोल्ड यू, यस इट इज पॉसिबल. आपको आपका मार्केटिंग का कोलैटरल और मार्केटिंग उसमें से हो जाएगा. अनलिस्टेड का रेवेन्यू आपको दिखेगा हरिन जी, इसमें वी आर लॉन्चिंग इट, उसमें डाला भी है फीचर, द नंबर्स विल बी शोन डे वाइज. लास्ट वीक रिजू भाई, यू कैन सी डे वाइज, इट्स एंड ऑफ डे बेसिस अपडेटेड. yes, RoboTrade also you can activate from this particular version. Bibuji, iOS version will be launching very soon. Ashwin by MTF revenue part, if I were to show you once again, one second, if I were to show you the MTF part, you have to go to the boost revenue. In boost revenue, there is MTF. Now here you can see clients which are not activated in MTF. Here you just simply click the activate button and the client will get an OTP and the client will be activated for MTF. If you click on the MTF, it will show you the list of clients which are currently active on MTF. So MTF basically gives you double revenue booster, and that's how you should, not miss on this particular thing. Gautam ji, RoboTrade is there in the app. The linkage of it, we will check if you are facing an issue. But I think so RoboTrade is easily possible using this app as well. Krishna ji, I think you should try now. Once again, please give me your sub-broker code. I will also check from here from my team. I don't think that there is an OTP issue coming anymore. So if there is a login issue, please write to our customer connect team. We will take it up from there. Registered email as Yeah, I hope that you are using your registered number and your registered details. OTP on email also. See on email as well. या आई थिंक विश्वा जी, आप एक बार फिर से जरा डाउनलोड कीजिए ना. रोहित जी, अभी मैंने जस्ट एक्सप्लेन किया है एमटीएफ. एक बार सेपरेट एमटीएफ का डिफरेंस इतना ही है सर कि एमटीएफ में मैं आपको इंटरेस्ट इनकम पासबैक देता हूं और दूसरा एमटीएफ में आपको हायर लेवरेज एक्सचेंज देता है. जैसे अगर आपके पास में 1 लाख रुपया है तो आपको एमटीएफ में 3 लाख रुपए का माल खरीदने मिलता है, जबकि नॉर्मल प्लेज में आपको 3 लाख रुपए का नहीं, आपको 2-2.5 लाख रुपए, 2 लाख रुपए, 1.5 लाख रुपए का माल खरीदने मिलता है. दूसरी चीज ये है कि एमटीएफ में आप माल खड़े रख सकते हो, 90 दिन तक आपको एक चर्न करना है, बट आप उसको ओपन रख सकते हो. बट नॉर्मल प्लेस में आपको 5 से 6 दिन में आपको पैसा देना है या आपका माल कट जाएगा. दूसरा चीज ये है कि आपको एमटीएफ के अंदर जो इंटरेस्ट हम लोग जो चार्ज करते हैं, जो फंडिंग हम लोग करते हैं कस्टमर के लिए, उसका हम लोग पासबैक देते हैं अबव हर्डल रेट ऑफ 14.5%. तो एमटीएफ सेगमेंट में आपको 3-4 चीजों का सीधा सीधा लाभ है. एक, कस्टमर को ज्यादा लेवरेज मिलता है. दूसरा, ब्रोकरेज के साथ साथ आपको इंटरेस्ट इनकम मिलता है. और तीसरा, आपको 5 दिन में नहीं, आपको 90 दिन में पोजीशन काटने का सुविधा मिलता है. तो ये सारे रीजन से एमटीएफ सेगमेंट बहुत पॉपुलर है. और प्रभुदास लियादर एमटीएफ पिक्स भी निकालता है जहां पे 15 से 20% रिटर्न मिलता है. और आप वो कॉल्स लेके क्लाइंट को एमटीएफ में एक्टिवेट करा सकते हैं, जो सारा इस ऐप में दिया हुआ है. तो आप एमटीएफ सेगमेंट को जरूर लाभ उठाइए. कृष्णमूर्ति जी, ये आई वुड लाइक टू नो योर क्वेश्चन. आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड योर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज दिस Y94? आई अंडरस्टैंड. What exactly is the question? If you can say, I would love to answer it. Okay, many people are complaining that OTP is not received. I have noted this feedback. I will just now take it to my IT team and we will, send some kind of a notification to everybody who have logged into the app. I'm sure that it will be made possible to get the OTP. It has already been done. Okay, so Krishnamurti is also confirming that OTP is not coming. I think there are 2-3 people who are saying OTPs are not coming. Code is Y94. Client code. Sir, we don't want client code. You put your sub-broker code. Your Y94M1. You're giving client code, sir. That is why it is not coming. Yeah. if there are any more questions, I would love to answer them, and we would love you to take this as just a starter. We would love to. We will be continuing to doing a lot of such sessions, and we will take this up again and again with you to basically help you grow your business through the app. uh, Wish you a very very happy and a prosperous time using this PL Capital Plus app, and I hope you all will make a lot of good use of this. So MTF will be activated. I think it will activate the very same time. I think hour or something. It happens in the same time. It doesn't take a day or so. Uh, so thank you so much everyone for coming, and I look forward to your suggestions. If there are any, please do put it to plbd@plindia.com, and we will love to get back to you. This is our own PL. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is PL's initiative.